Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the natural world. Today, we're going on an adventure to the Arctic to learn about one of the most iconic and awe-inspiring creatures, the polar bear. To start, let's define what a polar bear is in everyday language. A polar bear is a large, carnivorous mammal that lives in the Arctic region, characterized by its white fur and distinctive black skin. But why is this species significant in the natural world? Well, polar bears play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem, and their unique adaptations have allowed them to thrive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. The evolutionary history of polar bears dates back to around 200,000 years ago, when they diverged from their closest relative, the brown bear. The first scientific documentation of polar bears was made by the Norwegian explorer Fridtjof Nansen in the late 19th century. Since then, scientists have been fascinated by these incredible animals and have conducted extensive research to understand their behavior, physiology, and ecology. From a scientific perspective, polar bears are members of the family Ursidae and are classified as Ursus maritimus. They are found in 5 countries: Norway, Denmark, Canada, Russia, and the United States. Their habitat consists of sea ice, tundra, and coastal areas where they hunt for seals, their primary source of food. Key researchers like Dr. Ian Stirling and Dr. Andrew de Rocha have contributed significantly to our understanding of polar bear biology and ecology. Our scientific understanding of polar bears has evolved over time, thanks to advances in technology and field research. For example, satellite tracking devices have allowed scientists to monitor the movements and behavior of polar bears in real time, providing valuable insights into their migration patterns, hunting habits, and social interactions. Additionally, studies on polar bear physiology have revealed fascinating adaptations, such as their ability to slow down their metabolism during periods of food scarcity, allowing them to survive for months without eating. One of the most significant research findings related to polar bears is the impact of climate change on their population. As sea ice melts at an alarming rate, polar bears are facing reduced access to their primary food source, leading to malnutrition and starvation. A study published in the journal Science found that the body condition of polar bears has declined significantly over the past few decades, with females losing up to 22% of their body mass during the summer months. Polar bears interact with other species in complex ways, playing a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem. They prey on seals, which helps regulate the seal population and maintain the health of the marine food chain. In turn, polar bears are also an important indicator species, as changes in their population or behavior can signal broader environmental issues, such as climate change or pollution. Unfortunately, polar bears are facing numerous threats, including habitat loss, hunting, and human-bear conflicts. Their conservation status is currently listed as vulnerable, and it's essential that we take action to protect these incredible creatures and their habitats. For example, reducing greenhouse gas emissions can help slow down the rate of sea ice melting, giving polar bears a fighting chance to adapt. As we explore the fascinating world of polar bears, let's not forget about some of the intriguing behaviors they exhibit. Did you know that they're excellent swimmers and have been known to swim for hours or even days at a time? They also have a unique way of communicating with each other through body language and vocalizations, including a variety of grunts, growls, and snorts. Another remarkable aspect of polar bear behavior is their ability to slow down their heart rate when diving underwater, allowing them to conserve energy. This adaptation is crucial for their survival, as they need to be able to hunt efficiently in the water. In fact, polar bears have been observed diving to depths of up to 15 feet and staying underwater for up to 2 minutes. As we conclude our journey into the world of polar bears, I want to leave you with a thought-provoking insight. These majestic creatures remind us of the awe-inspiring power and beauty of nature. They also remind us of our responsibility to protect and preserve the natural world for future generations. As we face the challenges of climate change and environmental degradation, let's draw inspiration from the polar bear's adaptability and resilience. In fact, there are many ways we can make a positive impact on polar bear conservation. For example, supporting organizations that work to reduce greenhouse gas emissions or protect Arctic habitats can help ensure the long-term survival of these incredible animals. We can also make conscious choices in our daily lives, such as reducing our carbon footprint, using eco-friendly products, and spreading awareness about the importance of polar bear conservation. That's all for today's Nature with Aristotle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.